I got you. I got you.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake.
Our furniture is fallen over. There's no power. Look at the oil shelf.
Yeah.
Not an oil on it.
Those are all on the floor.
The oil thing is still on the wall.
That fell over.
Oh my gosh.
The Keurig machine is on the floor.
Probably broken. I need to call my dad. Where's my phone?
The refrigerator threw up. All the stockings and everything.
Siblings are okay. We're just gonna call and make sure, okay?
Everything. It's, I mean, Harper is freaked out. Come on. Come here, baby girl. Come on. Come here. It's okay, baby girl.
Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back again.
Harper, come here.
Okay, let's go with Daddy. Daddy.
Come on, buddy.
I'm scared. Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay.
Maddie,
it's okay.
it's just...
It's okay, honey. It's okay. Hold on, Dad. Yeah, hold on, Dad.
Maddie. I got you. I got you.
Hello? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Just in case we get stuck in the car.
Yes, we need blankets.
Yes.
In my
Okay,
bag.
come on. Get in the car.
Oh, no, what?
Mama got you.
No, what?
I know you don't.
Somebody
Hello?
grab this coat off the ground.
Hello?
Can you grab the coat off the ground?
Yes, Maddie. Settle down.
Are you okay?
Yeah, that's scary. That scared me. I didn't think it was gonna quit.
Our house is a mess.
Oh my god.
Is Joey down there?
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Everything is off the walls. There's glass broken over dressers.
Refrigerator spilled.
Refrigerators open and spilled everywhere. There's glass. A lot of plates.
You guys get seatbelts.
We don't even know where it's centered at, and I keep hearing it come back.
We all go.
We have to go.
Yeah. Should I put Hubby in the seat?
Yes. We're driving on the road. Oh, her head.
Hubby. Sorry, baby.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get them. You're okay. Buckle up.
Did you sit down while Daddy goes and gets us?
Madeline, I'm not leaving you. I'm right here.
Happy, we have to go pick you up. We have to go driving.
I know.
They're going to be okay.
Honey, they're okay. Did they fall?
I don't know.
I don't think they fell, okay? I know, honey. I know. It's okay. Oh, that was so scary, you guys. And I still have a giant pimple right there. But at least we're all safe. That's all that really matters. Something hit the back of my head. I had a mason jar with water on the headboard of my bed, and it's spilled on the floor. We'll show you guys when there's more light because there's no power in the house, but it like hit the back of my head. I think I was sleeping and then fell onto the floor and spilled everywhere. But oh my goodness, that was so scary. Daddy stepped on glass. You stepped on glass? Yeah. Are you okay? You had your boots on, right? Settle down, honey. Hey, are you okay? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, get in the back. Get in the back. I'm okay. I'm okay, babies. Hey.
Don't let her out, because she will
She was
probably
on
bolt.
panic, yeah. She was what? She was panicking.
Oh.
All the dogs were barking. Okay, so we're on our way to go get Natalie, excuse me, Natalie from school. They gave all the kids these like blanket thingies. Try and keep them warm.
Look what you're wearing. Natalie, it's winter.
So we're just getting back home, going up the stairs. This was right here on the windowsill. We can see how bad everything is.
A Christmas tree fell.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I should be late. Dad, I'm just gonna say one thing. You did a pretty good job on mounting that.
We
thing
left the fridge open. We didn't even try and shut it.
with that big.
Man, those good salads that we got.
Are everywhere.
Oh my god.
Look, it's just bad everywhere. What?
Holy cow. Look where the mixer is.
How's that?
Hold on. You guys be careful. Sit right here with the baby. Come here, baby.
I put it up here last night.
You put the mixer up there last night?
Yes.
Oh my god. Here, watch out. Let me see.
That's what it goes.
There's like dog food, glass,
the oil
pods,
spilled everywhere.
the machine.
My dad mounted that.
Oh my god, the glass thing you made me. Baby, you painted that for me.
I know.
Daddy, no.
This fell out of the cabinet and onto the floor.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Probably.
You told me put it up there.
Oh my god.
Meow.
Don't be sad. It's okay. Oh.
We can make another one.
You guys can make another one, okay? It's okay, baby. It's okay. Don't be sad. It's okay. We'll take you and you guys can do it again, okay? What really matters is that your daddy is safe, right? So you can go do that again together.
Oh no.
Do we?
There's been 2 aftershocks and Mikey won't let go of Kylie. He's super scared. Mikey, we checked on the leopard geckos and Toby and the fishy and they're all okay, okay?
Leaving my house at 8.
Mom.
Where does he work? He works in Anchorage. Where I don't know. He works for the school district. So.
Oh, okay.
We're picking up
My
the
fish
house.
didn't die. Neither did Toby. Toby was scared though.
Dude, look at these things. I got like mango.
Oh, because this fell on him.
Yeah.
Mom, after the last aftershock, Michael has been holding on to Kylie's neck. He will not let go of Kylie. He's so
I don't know that you're
a little leopard geckos are in there. You guys can't see them.
I know it's not.
They can't really be warm right now because the lights are not on. So
They'll reimburse you.
we cannot
Not
open
that we didn't show up because we just didn't show up.
any of these because everything will just fly out. I mean, you can open this. Nothing's gonna fly out of that. It's just so cool.
What do we learn from this?
That we need to wear warm clothes.
Earth needs to be nicer to us.
Some more food to have like and a way to cook the food, flashlights, like all that stuff is gonna be bought up a lot.
Dad, we need to make an emergency kit because we don't have one.
Kit.
That's an emergency food kit. We need like flashlights, everything like that, like
Oh,
clothes.
lightning and thunder.
Warm clothes.
Dad, literally, this is serious.
I could.
Madeline, can you pick up this bowl right here?
Yep. Here, can you
Natalie, pick up those good pods, please. Can you turn around for a sec? Let me see this. Look at me. I just want to point something out. No, stop for a sec.
Why?
Because I need you to.
This is giving me anxiety. I can't stop until it's done. So
Okay.
you can talk, I'll listen.
I just need to see your reaction. So, when we go and look around the house, there are things that Kirk hung. And then there are pictures that Amy hung.
There was nothing on that wall. What are you talking about? That wall was empty.
Oh, I'll go back to the vlog. There were lots of pictures there.
Months ago?
But Dad, you took them off so you could paint them.
Exactly.
I know, Maddie.
I'm just gonna say something, you guys. My dad put that thing up and it didn't even fall. Wow. Pretty cool.
The oil shelf, I'm like impressed at the mirrors.
Hadley's room is destroyed. The lamp is on her bed. The pictures are off the walls. Everything is by the toys. All the lamps have gone. I'm just really surprised this didn't fall off. The meal right there. So that did not fall off. The bed is okay. Riker's room is a mess. I can't turn on the lights. He was in there, but we just had to grab him just in case, you know. So everything fell off and onto the ground. So yeah, I don't know how, but the humidifier unscrewed off that somehow in the earthquake and fell on the ground. The bathroom is intense. I have no clue what that is. All the medicine stuff fell off the ground. It fell out of there. It's empty pretty much. The stroller didn't do anything. The curtains, yeah, those got pushed out. But we are currently cleaning it all up. Me and Maddie finished at my mom's bathroom. There was a makeup palette all over this floor. I cleaned it up with a baby wipe. We filled my mom's bathtub up with water and ours, which are the exact same size, and these 5-gallon things because we're gonna shut off the water and like, so we have to do that or we'll have no water. And who knows when the power is coming back on, you know, like the water's gonna come back on. Hopefully power comes back on soon, or we have to use portable chargers. That won't last that long because you have to charge the portable chargers too. Just because they're every couple minutes there keeps being an aftershock, and like they feel like mini earthquakes. Like I think that's what they technically are, but like they feel like a regular size earthquake compared to that earthquake that we just had. It was scary, and even like the aftershocks are scary. Riker and Maddie get really scared, so what we did, actually hold on, let me set this here. What we did was we trying to figure out how to eat food. Okay. I gotta straighten this up. So what we did was we cleared out under the table. If you guys want on my mom's live, I think it was on YouTube. I'm not quite sure. But we told you guys that we cleaned out under our table. So if there's whenever like the little shocks happen, which actually doesn't feel really big, then we all run under there and not necessarily like hide, but we just take cover, I guess. Yeah. So many things fell. And look at this, you guys. Literally a toy bucket, this oil shelf over here, that, books, Bibles, our printer. Of course, that's your printer. There's laundry everywhere. It looks like we're hoarders, but we're not. We're not minimalist. We're just average people. But yeah, so that's our life right now. And that. This had all of our food. And it was like back there and on the floor. So I think I'm going to start with this first. This will be the easier part. That's good. Okay. Oh no. Things are wanting to fall. Okay guys, so I organized it. And like these are like the liquids, like honey. I didn't really know where to put that. So these are like liquids, honey, that. There's like chocolate syrup back there. So just like all the liquidy type things. These are the drinks. And now I guess we're almost done. We just have to put it back in place.
So now I'm going to move this printer back up to there and whatnot. So
Do not do that.
we set this all back up.
The diffuser kind of?
We're not sure if this works. We have no power to test it out.
The diffuser.
And our battery's about to die, so.
So it's been about maybe like 15 minutes since the last aftershock.
15 minutes.
Like 30 minutes, I guess, since the last aftershock one. We have seen 3 fire trucks already. It's pretty sad. So we're just praying that everyone's safe and that It's okay.
They're inspecting the bridges.
They're assessing the damage right by our house, you guys. This is the helicopters.
Blackhawk.
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. We keep hearing sirens and ambulances and fire trucks.